Our last day on the island. Check it out. I put bird seed out there in the patio. Check these guys out. That's my favorite bird. That and that one with the red head that comes around.
Behind that 14-mile marker is Olawala. As you can see from the beach, this Olawala site for kayaking is one of the many kayaking points on the west.
Down there you got the doves. Look at the mess they made. I put the thing on the door so the maid can't come in until we're gone. Well, I'm going to be long gone when she comes in here. They've made a big mess. Oh, that's funny. The doves look a little different from the ones in California. They got that ring around their neck. It must be the male.
Here we are at Lua Beach in the heart of Wailea Resort. What you're going to find here is a really great location for both snorkeling and scuba diving. As you can see, the inner reef goes out to about 20 feet in depth. The outer reef goes out to about 40 feet in depth. There's a whole
And there's the minor bird.
There's turtles, there's octopus, there's eels. There's even a big school of goldfish that comes in right when you come in.
Birds of Kalapani.
Black Rock in the heart of Kaanapali Beach. A very popular spot for the visitors to the island for snorkeling and diving. For sure you'll see turtles, a colorful array of our Hawaiian butterfly fish, and the largest nudibranch in the world we like to call Spanish dancer.